Next, we have Dalip Sachdev on the line with us. Hi, sir. What's your question?
Yeah, my point is that I have to do something for the capital investment, which is a capital gain, the tune of around 50 lakhs. So what I've selected is towards Bhiwadi, the two properties what I've seen is the MVL Coral and Vaibhav. So which one would be the better? The resale, I'm getting the Coral for around 3 bedroom at around 50-55.
All right, Bhiwadi. Even Bhiwadi is trading at 55 lakhs. So, what's your take on his projects?
Well, we feel both the projects are good, and we've got 2 more recommendations lined up for him. So he can even look at buying 2 flats instead of 1, because his budget, he has to invest much more money. So we would recommend him to look at 2 flats over 1 flat, because then otherwise, you know, for a 60 lakh budget, buying 1 flat will be super luxury, and that is not the right market to invest in the Alwar bypass road. So inventory overhang is although high, and the availability is a lot now. 18,000 odd units and 28 months is the inventory overhang. 2,600 rupees a square foot is the weighted average price of the market. 31% has been the price appreciation, or 12% on an annualized basis. The recommendations, you've already shortlisted 2, both get a go ahead from our side. Coral 4 MBL for other viewers is available with a developer located on the Alwar bypass road along with modern amenities. It's in 5 phases, out of which 3 are ready to move in, with 200 families already shifted in. Then we have Vaibhav by VBHC. This is a project by a real estate firm which is essentially promoting affordable and low cost housing projects. This project location is fine on Alwar bypass road near Honda plant and Ashiana group projects. The other 2 recommendations from our side are Regal Court by Avalon Group. This project is available with the developer. It's a recent launch and is very close to the Honda plant, and project is available at 2,700 rupees a square foot today, so that's a very reasonable price. Lastly, we have Ashiana Town by Ashiana Housing. This project is also available with the developer. It's the biggest project by the Ashiana Group in Bhiwadi region. The group has already acquired a total of 52 acres of land, and in Bhiwadi, where 4,000 units will be developed in phases. Construction of the project has just started.
Samir, Bhiwadi is really turning out to be a good alternative for those who work in Manesar, Gurgaon, but can't afford a property there. You know, when I visited Bhiwadi recently, there was a McDonald's, a Haldiram's, signs of, you know, things really moving up in Bhiwadi.
The good part of Bhiwadi is it's an end user market also.
Right.
So a lot of people working in the industrial areas over there have their factories over there. So I think it is a very good destination. Price points are very reasonable. They've appreciated a lot over the last 8-10 years, and also the Rajasthan government has been pretty proactive compared to the Haryana government for the industries over there. So this area should continue to do well.
And no delays in possession as well. The track record of delivery has also been quite healthy according to some builders. All right, Dilip, just a snapshot on what's happening in Bhiwadi. Local builders are claiming that Mahindra has in fact bought a huge chunk of land to build an auto plant. That's going to be another big driver to create jobs. Plans for a cargo airport have been passed. An urban improvement trust has been set up to take care of the urban renewal of Bhiwadi. You know, issues like sewerage, laying a sewerage network are also now being taken care of. Projects we wanted to look at: Regal Court by Avalon Group, and there's Ashiana Town by Ashiana Housing. And that's a wrap for today. If you